then I'd be interested in going long. There's also a bullish fair value gap forming inside of that as well,
Yeah, the
and
one that
it's
just
a 50% pullback from that move up we just had. So we'll see how it reacts to it. I'd be interested in that. Mm. Okay, these were the two trades that I took today. One loser, one winner. Okay, so the first trade I'm going to show you on Thinkorswim so I can chart it out. So the first trade was a long attempt based off of this inverse fair value gap. Let's see if we can draw it up. So I saw price displaced above this high. We came back into it. We held the 50% level of this inverse fair value gap. That's where I entered at 774. So I was my entry was like right here. My stop was below the wick. My first TP would have been this high, and then I would have let the runners go, or just the last contract go. The second trade was a long down here. I'll show you on the 15 second. We had another big drop. Apparently Trump said something, so price dropped pretty fast. We came back up. I was looking for a little bit of a pullback, 50% of this range, which would have been about right here. There's also a fair value gap. We held that, so I entered just targeting this high as my first TP. We hit it, set my runner to stop at break even, so we come back down, we hit it, we get break, or stopped out at break even. So those are the two trades. Something I could have done better. I think with the first trade, I don't know. I liked that trade. I mean, we were consistently making higher highs, higher lows. Um, I mean, we displaced above this candle, pull back 50% of the range after taking out sell side liquidity. So things look good to the upside, honestly. Yeah, we didn't even hit a 50% retrace of this move down. So I think that trade was valid. We did get stopped, so it sucks. But what are you gonna do? I followed all my rules. I entered based off of what I knew, and yeah, I think that trade was valid. It's just unfortunate we got stopped. Sometimes that happens before it ran to our take profit. But yeah, you can't hate the game. Just got to keep moving. So we took 2 trades. I'm down $30 on the day. And then if you noticed on my Tradevate screen, my balance is actually different than what I ended off yesterday because I forgot to take off all my orders after I got off. So one of my orders ended up getting hit yesterday and then closed out due to market close. So I got really lucky. That could have went completely the other direction. So that's why my balance is different than what yesterday left off as. So but yeah, that's today's trades. We will be back on Monday.